What better place to race than right in front of a police station? Quite strict on, oh, is this a race? Shit. Alright, I think we're going for it. First to 80. See you later, mate! Bye! Catch you later! I'm not gonna lie, I did not think I would get that much of a jump on her. Like, yeah, I've got the extra engine capacity, but I'm much heavier than she is. But I think I just had a more aggressive launch. I felt the front tire go up a bit. That was fun. These are the shenanigans that I live for when I'm on a motorbike. It's a really bad place for shenanigans though. It's the pretty and far out, man. Cops love the pretty. Let's go again. Too easy, mate. Oh, fuck. I heard those sirens and I was like, yeah, that's it, we're done for. Like, thankfully, I didn't do anything too egregious speed-wise, but they could have got us. They could have got us. We weren't behaving ourselves.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen